Hello friends, and welcome to this video on neutral English accent where we learn today the long vowel sounds with Raz. So let's get started. Alright, so starting with the long vowel sounds, it's easy to understand the meaning, which is that a vowel, we know we have 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and long is when we stretch it a little more. So let's see what are the different sounds that comes from the long vowels. The first is the palm, where we are giving more stress on the ah. So palm, cool, cause, read, earn. So if you observe, there are different ways how my jaw movements are functioning. So with the ah, I'm taking I'm stretching my mouth more. Ah. With oo, I'm doing like this, closing my mouth. Ooh. Or is like opening my mouth in vertical way. Or E, stretching my mouth. Is again stretching, but at the same time clipping it. So try to make out these sounds as much as you can. So we can do the practice here. Palm, calm, cart, cool, fool, food, cause, call, all, read, seed, wheat, earn, learn, turn. Okay, so let's start with the first sound, which is a ah sound. So palm, calm, cart, charm, balm, farm, harm, arm, madame, dwarf, Vietnam, smart, heart, chart, tart, alarm, farmer, father, swam, Assam, plastic, armor, charter, father, after, plaster, answer, rather, quarter, commander, marker, extra, drama, idea, laughter, squander, vanilla, diaper, sharper, starter. Alpha, bark, darker, stigma, carpenter, parameter, quota, arena, cedar, delta, coma, draft, magma, pasta, charisma, plasma, stamina, visa, vista, banana, antenna, bacteria, flora, fauna, faster, fiesta, gardener, quota, lava, pizza, stanza, zebra, nostalgia, spectra, phenomena, Utah, Cuba, Ottawa, Niagara, Australia, America, Jamaica, Africa, Alexandra. Alright, moving on to the next sound, which is A sound. So apron, alien, agent, basic, data, baby, lady, cable, radio, shaky, paper, label, potato, hazy, maple, table, tomato, bake, base, cage, cake, came, cane, cape, case, cave, date, face, fade, fake, fame, gate, gave, hate, lace, lake, lane, late, made, make. Male, main, maze, name, pace, page, rake, raid, safe, take, tail, tape, wage, wake, agent, blade, blame, brace, break, brave, chase, crane, drape, erase, flake, flame, frame, grade, grape, place, plane, plate, scale, skate, snake, space, stage, trade, grade, tape, trade, escape, landscape, ape, reshape, netscape, audio tape, earthquake, drape, pavement. It's quite interesting. Alright, so the next one is A. So it's a sound, not A, it's A. Aid, aim, bail, bait, fail, gain, hail, jail, mail, main, paid, pain, raid, rail, rain, sail, tail, wane, wait, await, braid, brain, chain, claim, daisy, drain, faint, frail, grain, paint, plain, quail, raise, snail, stain, trail, train, waste, afraid, praise, raisin, sprain. So the reason why we are extending the sound is because if you observe, we have two vowel sounds together, A and I, and that's why the sound is A and not A. Alright, so let's move ahead. Now the next one is a B, A. It's a A sound. Because we are pronouncing and we have AY in the words, that's why the sound is A. So bay, day, hey, jay, lay, pay, ray, say, away, clay, play, pray, stay, tray, relay, today, array, decay, display, survey, holiday, okay, hey, midway, betray, essay, pray, buffet, grey, gateway, portray, conway, obey, roadway, outlay, highway. Birthday, spray, repay, bouquet, forte, underway, takeaway, gourmet, freeway, halfway, day-to-day, neighbor, sleigh, full play, weekday, Norway, Mayday, airplay, ashtray, formulae, payday, autopay, child's play, hooray. Latte, jetway, overstay, right away, slipway, Tuesday, Zimbabwe, vertebrae, souffle, X-ray, Finlay, Hudson Bay, Dare, Milky Way, ombre, three-way, railway today. Now the next sound is a sound, ah. So I have to stretch my mouth and open it at the same time. So snap, snap, slap, map, scrap, gap, flap, strap, trap, wrap, cap, clap, handicap, tap, sap, yap, zap, crap, grab, lap, nap, overlap, wrap, slap, stab, crab, kidnap, mishap, recap, dap, drag. Chap, bootstrap, rehab, cap, kneecap, bitmap, death trap, gift wrap, site map, snack, tag, collaboration, flat, scratch, vocab, challenge, havoc, man. Alright, now the next one is again quite challenging because not a lot of people are able to take out the sound proficiently. So it is a aw sound, aw. So I have to open my mouth, so close it like that and open it at the same time. So aw, cause, hawk, chalk, was, awkward, draw, war, awesome, flaw, claw, thaw, straw, withdraw, reservoir, warmth, corridor, jigsaw, rickshaw, for, not, hot, caught, plot, got, naughty, soft, your, block, fall, off, opt out, shop, top, cop, stop, law, compensate, fought, long, ping pong, Yorkshire, problem, what, sought, Holland, mock, block, catalog, shock, knock, fork, clock, stalk, flock, hog, log, catwalk, frog, crock, cork, hot dog, corn, dawn, o'clock, peacock, watchdog, overtalk, york, Reebok, TikTok, Bangkok, hip hop, crawl, hawker, ice block, lovelock, laptop, postbox, fog, Paul, log, top notch, robot, radio jockey, frog, water, epoch, rock, cakewalk. Alright, so moving on to the E sound now with the long vowels. So this is a E. So here I have to stretch my mouth. E. Even, evil, ego, Egypt, equal, evening, hair, these, theme, gene, concede, proceed, concrete, compete, delete, severe, sincere, complete, deviation, depression, devotion, abbreviation, excretion, erosion, penetration, policeman, Steve, vegetation, correlation, recession, television, acceleration, depletion, exertion, ferment, turn. The next one is a EA because we have both the vowels together. So that's why we are going to stretch again the sound. However, the sound will come as the same like a E sound, but because it is EA, and that's why the sound is being stretched. So eat, pea, see, tea, bead, beak, beam, bean, beat, deal, each, easy, fleer, heel, heap, heat, lead, leaf, leak, lean, leap, meal, mean, meat, need, peak, read, seal, seam, seed. Team, weak, beach, cheap, cheat, clean, dream, eager, eagle, feast, jeans, need, leash, least, leave, peace, peach, reach, sneak, speak, steal, steam, teach, tease, treat, weave, wheat, beacon, beagle, grease. Again, now the next one is a double E, so we have two E's together, means to have two vowels together. Again, we are going to stretch the sound as E. So B, C, beef, beep, deep, feed, feel, feet, free, glee, heed, heel, jeep, keep, knee, meet, need, peak, peel, peep, reef, reel, seed, seek, seam, seen, teen, tree, weed, weak, weep, agree, bleed, cheek, creek, geese. Green, greed, kneel, queen, sheep, sheet, sleep, speed, steal, steep, sweep, sweet, teeth, tree, tweed, wheel, asleep, breeze, cheese, coffee, fleas, freeze, needle, sneeze, peach, street, deed, succeed, proceed, exceed, indeed, greed, guarantee, deed, beetroot, refugee. Okay, the next one is again a E sound. Again, we have two vowels together, so that's why we're going to stretch. So field, thief, chief, niece, peace, believe, brief, relief, belief, mischief, handkerchief, grief. Moving on to the Y sound, which is a E, any, E. Again, it is a E sound. So any, baby, battery, belly, berry, body, bony, brainy, buggy, carry, cherry, chilly, city, cloudy, copy, daisy, dizzy, dolly, early, easy, every, fairy, hairy, icy, jelly, lady, party, penny, pretty, salty. Shiny, sorry, sticky, tidy, tiny, ugly, very, windy, worry, mummy, daddy, heavy, crazy, fancy, friendly, mighty, hurry, beauty, pretty, bully, happy, carry, busy, vary. Okay, now this sound is an I sound, I. So I, pilot, item, ivory, idea, idle, iris, iron, ice cream, surprise, optimize, enterprise, ice, bike, bite, concise, dice, dime, dive, file, fine, fire, five, hide, hike, hive, item, kite, lice, life, like, lime, line, live, mice, nice, nine, pile, pine, pipe, rise, ride, ripe, rise, side, size, tide, tile, time, tire, wine, wide, wife, wipe, wire, wise, alike, arise, bride, chime, crime, drive, glide, knife, prize, pride, prize, shine, slice, slide, smile, spike, white, advice, hire, exercise, paradise, recognize, devise, franchise, sacrifice, flies, merchandise, pies, relies, advertise, otherwise, minimize, criticize, organize, galvanize, harmonize, stabilize, summarize, sunrise, sympathize, visualize, clockwise, energize, improvise, likewise, maximize, fertilize. Okay, again, the sound is an I sound, but we have IGH. So these sounds are all pronounced as a I. High, sigh, fight, light, might, night, right, sight, tight, tie, bright, flight, night, delight, tonight, lightning, fright, all right, copyright, highway, lighthouse, limelight, midnight, night blind, outright, glide, skydive, slide, twilight, upright. Next is again an I sound. We have IE together, two vowels together. That's why we're going to stretch the sound. So die, lie, pie, tie, cried, tried, dried, fried, tied, amplifies, beautifies, crucifies, dragonflies, glorifies, magnifies, multiplies, mortifies, qualifies, signifies, satisfies, utilize, magpie, underlie, necktie. Again, the next sound is a Y sound, so it's an I sound. Buy, my, cry, dry, fry, fly, guy, goodbye, sly, spy, shy, qualify, why, apply, comply, supply, rely, reply, July, justify, rhyme, cycle, analyze, standby, sky, rectify, clarify, die, identify, nearby, occupy, verify, amplify, classify, fortify, modify, purify, signify, specify, why, butterfly, buy, certify, pacify, unify, exemplify, nullify, terrify, beautify, preoccupy, retry, diversify, thereby, whereby, dragonfly, die, hereby, cat's eye, eagle's eye, bullseye, detoxify, apple pie, July, Chennai. Okay, so the next sound is an O sound, O. So go, so, no, bonus, focus, hotel, robot, total, omit, tomato, potato, banjo, piano, low, slow, echo, zero, snow, no, bow, fellow, flow, glow, mellow, narrow, row, shadow, shallow, yellow, blow, hello, solo, window, follow, throw, borrow, elbow, grow, hollow, overflow, pseudo, rainbow, sow, swallow, though, woe, also, below, buffalo, burrow, crow, demo, depot, furrow, piano, sorrow, thorough, toe, arrow, bestow, harrow, hero, macho, memo, fiasco, auto, bingo, burial, casino, de facto, ditto, gusto. Jumbo, moto, pillow, psycho, tobacco, bravo, domino, mango, micro, macro, plateau, tempo, tomato, undergo, banjo, disco, manifesto, potato, retro, window, widow, although, cargo, dumbo, maestro, meadow, metro, overshadow, photo, tango, to and fro, ago, avocado, combo, gizmo, hydro, inflow, logo, Morocco, mosquito, rhino, indigo. Alright, so the next is O and E separate, but it's a own, O, so it's a own. Bone, code, cone, cope, dome, dose, hole, home, hope, joke, mole, nose, note, pole, poke, rope, road, rope, rose, tone, vote, woke, zone, alone, awoke, broke, choke, chose, close, drove, froze, globe, phone, scope, slope, smoke, spoke, stole, stone, stove. Next is the OA together. Again, we have two vowel sounds together. That's why we're going to stretch the sound. So it'll be oak, oat, boat, coal, coat, foam, goal, goat, load, loaf, loan, oatmeal, road, roam, soak, soap, toad, bloat, cloak, coach, coast, float, toast, throat. Now the next one is a oo sound. So cool, fool, wool, food, two, pool, room, moon, soon, food, mood, proof, scoop, bloom, school, smooth, tooth, igloo, gloomy, goose, noodle, lose, tool, cruel, spoon, whirlpool, stool, proof, fruit, rule, schedule, capsule, mule, junior, unicorn, bugle, cue, so it's a U, cupid, human, music, duty, unit, uniform, student, union, ammunition, universal, university, community, communist, commute, communicate, illusion, fortune, funeral, immune, immunity, pure, opportunity. Municipal, nutrition, Neptune, unique, unity, tune, tunic, tribunal, unilateral, unified, individual, unisex, use, cube, cute, dude, duke, fuse, huge, June, mute, tube, fluke, impromptu, liu, feud. Alright, this is again an EW, although it's not two vowels together, but the sound will be EU sound, EU. So DU, few, mew, new, blew, brew, chew, crew, drew, flew, grew, new, news, stew, screw, threw, Jewel, review, queue, view, interview, preview, renew, debut, nephew, cashew, curfew. Next is a U sound, U. So due, sue, glue, clue, blue, issue, rescue, value, barbecue, continue, virtue, pursue, argue, residue, revenue, avenue, statue, true, venue, undue, accrue. Next is a sound. So earn, learn, turn, burn, churn, pattern, iron, concern, patron, return, foreign, siren, modern, adjourn, excursion. Alright, so thank you for watching this video and keep watching more neutral English accent videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.